if you're wanting to take apart your LCD, when you do the left side on an iPad Air 2, just be careful, because if you're slowly trying to detach the screen, if you do it too quickly, you might cause some light bleeding here on the left side where I guess the backlight paper is. I think you can fix it just by adjusting the back where the LCD is. But I've done this to 2 LCDs already. I was able to fix this iPad a little bit. You can see over here, you don't see that bleeding on the left anymore. I don't know how I fixed it, but on here, it's much more apparent. So you might have to reseat your LCD somehow. That's the biggest problem I've had taking apart the iPad. And you can see over here, it's not, the white isn't flat. There's like I said, the backlight paper, it just isn't lying flat, and so it doesn't look nice. So just be careful when you're replacing or taking apart your iPad LCD screen. Otherwise, you'll have backlight bleeding, and you might have to try to fix it somehow. I don't know how I fixed it here. It's just working now. I just unhooked it and then put it back on, and it was working. So I must have shook something.